Hello, everyone, and welcome to Miss Sharon's Reading Corner. I am Miss Sharon, and I want to say hello and welcome to all of my friends. Today, I am going to be talking to you about helping our children discover the different parts of a book. This is called I Know the 20 Concepts of Print. And when I say that, this is for a 4 to 5 year old and 3 to 4. Sometimes our 3 to 4 know a lot as well. So when I say this, I am coming to you from the 26 skills that our children should learn when they are getting prepared for kindergarten. So this falls under literacy and language, and under literacy is the demonstration of knowledge of print and its uses. I know 20 concepts of print. And then when I say language, it's saying to us developing verbal skills. It's saying that a preschooler can speak using complete sentences with few inaccuracies and understanding 4 to 5,000 words before going to kindergarten. Now, if they know more, that is great because there are some studies that says children can know up to 9,000 words, and that's pretty cool. So, in this program, we want to make sure that our children can repeat new words correctly and know what they mean. So, today I have Pete the cat. Here's our blue Pete the cat. And then I have Pete the cat in pajamas. Here's our other Pete the cat. And then the story, the book that we're going to use to help with these concepts is a Pete the Cat book. And so the name of this book is Pete the Cat and the Surprise Teacher. So when we're talking about parts of a book, we always start with this is the cover or the front of the book. This is the back of the book. This that holds the pages together is called the spine. So inside there's pages for the story. Now, when we are talking about the book, we talk about the title. And the title is words that tell us what the story might be about. So, Pete the Cat and the Surprise Teacher. Surprise. That's a big word. So, Pete the Cat and the Surprise Teacher. This tells us that Pete goes to school and that there's going to be a surprise teacher there. Now, who wrote this story and who drew these pictures? Well, that person is called the author and illustrator. And for this very particular book, the name is James Dean. So he did the stories, which are the words of the book, and he also drew the pictures of the book. So he's the illustrator and the author. In our books, we always have a top and a bottom. A top and a bottom. So this is the top of the book, the bottom of the book. The same thing for the pages. There is a top and a bottom. Now, in our book have a first page. This is the first page of the story, and a last page. In our book, it also have letters, and letters represent spoken sound. And so when we talk about the letters in the book, we talk about letters make words, and words make sentences, and sentences tell stories. And we read from left to right when we're reading our story. So, Pete is ready for school. Where's Mom? Pete asked. So, this is how we read from left to right when we're reading the story. So, when we also are telling the story, these pictures help the words. It helps us see what the story is about. So, in this story, where is Pete? He's getting on the bus, and the bus takes us where? To school. So, the pictures are helping tell us the story. Again, as a 4 to 5 year old, we're talking about knowing 20 concepts of print. And this is helping our 4 year olds and 5 year olds discover the different parts of a book. I want to say I thank you, my friends, and I wish you well. And I'll see you next time on Miss Sharon's Reading Corner.